How to put pictures in TikTok comments. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to put pictures in TikTok comments. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch TikTok app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account and first find the video you want to interact with on TikTok. Tap the heart icon on right side of this video. Next, tap the comment icon just below the heart icon to open the comments section. In the comments section, you will see the list of comments. For example, this video has 84 comments. Find a comment you want to reply and tap on reply under that. Here you will see a red camera icon at the left side of this reply section. Simply tap on it. Here you need to tap on photo and tap on gallery icon at right corner of your screen. Choose a particular photo and tap on next button. You can easily edit this video or photo by applying different kinds of edits, and once you are okay with that, tap on next button at bottom center of your screen. Before posting, you can easily adjust the privacy settings, which is optional. You can tap on the setting icon at top right corner of your screen, and here you can easily set to only you if you want to make it more private. Now tap the next button at bottom center of your screen, and here you can easily tap on post button. So it will take a few time to load. You can easily check it later to verify your comment by proceeding towards your profile at bottom right corner of your screen. Then you will see the heart icon in your profile. Tap on the particular video from your liked video section and you can open the video and go to the comment section and you will see the picture in your comment thread. And that's how we finally put pictures in TikTok comments. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.